everyone, welcome back to my channel Edify. In previous video we have seen some of the topics under string, and in this video we will cover some more topics and understand strings completely. So let's get started. We are going to learn about negative indexing. So what is negative indexing? We know that indexing starts from 0. Here, as you can see, the indexing is done from the start, that is from left to right. If we start indexing from the end of the string, that is from right to left, example hello 43210, this type of indexing is called negative indexing. Let's see practically how it works. Type x is equals to hello world, then print x of -5 colon -2, and if we compile it, we get the output as ORL. Next, how to combine two strings. To combine two or more strings, we make use of plus operator. For example, A is equals to hello and B is equals to John, C is equals to A plus B, print C. If we compile it, we get the output as hello John. So this is called string concatenation. We cannot combine strings and numbers. If we replace John by 1, 2, 3 and compile it, we get error. Can you see? To avoid these types of error, we use format method. Here, the format method takes the passed arguments, formats them and places them in the string where the placeholders are. For example, age is equals to 24 and print of f, I am age. F denotes the format function and the flower brackets inside the brackets called placeholders. Moving on to modify strings. In Python, we have some built-in methods which helps us to modify strings. So let's see one by one. Let's see how we can convert these strings in lower and uppercase. For example, x is equals to hello John, print of x dot upper. Now if we compile it, we get the output as hello John in uppercase. It converts the lowercase to uppercase. Similarly, we have lower method. Replace upper by lower function and then compile it. We get the output as hello John in lowercase. So let's see how to replace string. That is, print of x dot replace h comma b. If we compile it, we get the output. Here h is replaced by b. So let's see how to split a string. Print of x dot split of double quotes. Then if we compile it, we get the output as hello John in list. Likewise, we have many more methods to alter the strings, and we have escape characters which also aid in coding. If you guys need more information, you can check out the link given below. So we have seen how negative indexing works, about string concatenation, string formatting and string methods. If you guys liked it, then subscribe and follow for more.